Welcome back. Well, it's time to shift back focus to all that is happening in the futures and options space. Let's get in our experts for today. We have Vinay Rajani, CMT, Senior Technical Analyst at HDFC Securities. And along with that, we also have Ajit Mishra. He's the SVP Research, Religare Broking. Good morning to both of you. Thanks for joining in. Ajit, I start with you. How are you placed when it comes to the benchmarks? We have more weakness on account of the HDFC Bank. What do we do when it comes to the Nifty and the Bank Nifty?
Yeah, good morning, Agam. So, Agam, last week in the final sessions, Nifty tried to make an attempt to hold the short-term averages after reclaiming it on Wednesday. But today, the way we are seeing that index majors, SGFC alongside with Reliance is pushing the markets lower. It's become difficult for index to maintain this 21,500 mark. So in case if we slip further lower and breach this level, I expect this profit taking or consolidation that we are seeing with the negative bias will continue in the market. This is a sell on rise market until we decisively reclaim 21,800 mark. And banking also in the last trading session, it was in fact banking which outperformed the index. But today we are seeing that all the gains were wiped out, and we are again, inching towards 45,300. So, banking, I feel that it's prudent to stay away because we expect this volatility to continue. We have other numbers also scheduled during the day among the private players. So, Nifty definitely looks weak to us, and one can definitely look for a shorting opportunity. If the view is short-term intraday, then with the stop at around 21,620, one can go even short, even at current levels with 21,400 as a target.
Okay, Vinay, good morning to you as well. Your view on the benchmarks at the moment, how are you placed?
Yeah, so definitely setup has turned weak, and last week we saw Nifty falling by 1.5
today.
So Agam, obviously pharma should be in your trading bets, considering that we are seeing excessive volatility when it comes to the index, and pharma sector is also holding strong amid all this the volatile swing. So Dr. Reddy's, I feel, is one candidate that one can look at from the pharma basket. It's almost like 3 months of consolidation that we've been seeing the stock upper band around 5,900. After retesting the same, it retraced marginally towards the support zone of the long-term moving averages on the weekly charts, and now we are again seeing a base formation. So we expect this consolidation to end with the recovery, and 5880 is something that we are eyeing in Dr. Reddy's. So with stop at 5630, one can go long. Other name from the metal space wherein we are seeing consolidation and it's still not participating on the downside. So Tata Steel is showing strength, and we feel that as long as we are holding above 130 mark, there is a potential that stock may again witness fresh traction and inch toward 140 levels.
Okay, so those are two buy calls coming in from Ajit, Dr. Reddy's and Tata Steel. Of course, we have seen a big surge in pharma stocks, not just in Cipla, but a whole host of counters from the pharmaceutical space. Of course, we'll continue to keep an eye on that one. But on that note, we have run out of time on this show, so I'm going to take a moment to thank both our experts, Vinay and Ajit, for joining us and taking us through their views on the markets, as well as giving us a handful of trading ideas. Well, it's a wrap on this show, but lots more lined up on the other side. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit.